ko sa aking partner transport group na Agency Transportation.
Sinasakyan ko.
Gumilit na gano'n.
Yung katawan ko gumano. Yung bali ko ang sakit.
Tingin ka lang, boss. Puro lang ginagawa.
Nakita ko yung babae naglalakad na ito siya sa kanya. Tingin ako talaga. Baka lalaki.
Ingat kayo sa mas nyo ha. Pag may pulis, taklob nyo agad. Kaka 1,000 kayo yan. Hindi nata yung CR. Hello guys, welcome to Wadi Namar. Lalaki ng mga tilapia dito. Talaga nang ito doon. Iba mga ano na. Tingnan mo yun. Oh.
Isda.
Yung falls nila guys hindi gumagana, nakapatay yung makina. Hindi.
Tikman natin. Malapit siya talagang gusto niya magpapicture.
Ayun oh. Laki.
Hapon.
Basta nga rin po, kaya mo. Tulog na tayo.
Tulog na? Parang kumot mo yan ma'am, dinala mo ah.
Ito kasi ito kinagamit.
Yan.
Habang-habang hinuman.
Ito ang aming pagkain, mayroong adobo, mayroong tapa, mayroong spaghetti.
I know that something special made me think about you, about you, you, about you.
Maganda din sa taas ng gabi. Maganda kasi tignan to sa baba. Ilaw paggabi. Uy, ibon, huwag ka dyan. Baka shoot ka sa pagkain.
Litty titty, hella tipsy. Getting cross again, Eddie, pour one on the cross. Crazy but not like CeeLo. Take a foul shot and call it a free throw. Party foul, help her out, grab a towel. But they cheered to the governor while the beer was a lover. Trust me, ain't no amateurs now. We got this, so rest assured. When I think out loud, there's always a crowd. Smoking heavy cloud, feeling good right now. People sitting by the wall and they're leaning. Somewhere lying on the bell is dreaming. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that something really special made me think about you, about you, about you.
Sabi ko sa'yo, ano, nahangina ka? Wait na lang yan. Number 1 ka lang. Siya number 3.
Yatat mo sa ano? Sa power bank.
Bye!
Sabi-sabi, tatlong pinggan.
Ayan o, suitcase mo yun.
Kain tayo guys. Kain guys.
Hinarap mo na dito.
Gotta just be honest, I've been in my head. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. You know that you're by yourself. I get ahead of myself. Finish your races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're by yourself. I keep on telling myself.
May diamonds pa.
Panty pa naman yung ikaw ko, baka manakbalik.
Nabubura na tanso.
Tanso pala.
Sabihan mo kung di ako sa inyo. Ah! Sabi ko kasi sa'yo, sabihan mo ko eh.
Making time, not taking it to clear my thoughts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much
Ang galing nila guys, nililinis nila.
Have a chance at new love. Nobody else. You know that you understand. I got ahead of myself. Never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you understand. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself. Don't run. Worry about it. Figure it out. Don't rush. Just wanna know. To figure it out. Don't rush. Don't worry about it. To figure it out. Don't rush. Just let it go. To figure it Don't need to worry about it. Don't need to figure it out. No, don't rush. It's a little crowd. sank. I'm stuck in limbo, nothing works in my head. I'm moving so slow, shadows lurk all around. In my sorrow, can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. Before this, used to think I knew where to go. Now I see that there is so much I don't know. I lost count and my sense of direction. I am fighting against my own emotions. Can't focus, I'm distracted, and I don't know what to do. Each time I try to get past it, in the end I think of you. Nothing's fine here without you. The sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. You just take up all space in my mind. Try to shake you up. Oh. Without you, the sun won't shine till you come through, till you come back. I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. I can't stand this life alone. Don't make sense now that you're gone. Till you come back, I'm missing you. Can't help myself, I'm missing you. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie. Everything's a mess, it's plain to see. It's so hard to breathe when you're not here with me. And tough is still to live, I don't know how to be. In my lonely mind, I play the same movie.
May cellphone ko, wala ka
Everything's a mess,
cellphone.
it's plain to see.
Hindi na ako babalik doon sa ano, Nasim.
Ah, mababa. Ha?
Hindi.
Mainit nga.
Nakay, oh.
Maluwag.
Picture ka.
Maluwag yan sa loob ah.
Maluwag sa loob. Sakay. Oh. Yung wala kang camera. Ay, hindi ako bababa.
Ano yung tsura?
Putak ko ba, syempre.
Baba ka. Ayaw. Sige na,
Ay,
pag
di na ako
bumaba ka, bababa ako.
Baba ka. Sarado yan. Saglit lang. Hindi yan ano, hindi yan matatanggal. Nakakadina yan,
Sa sasakyan.
Akin na yung bag mo.
Yung cellphone.
Akin na yung bag mo.
Ako lang kayang liit, ang laki ko.
Wag kasi ano, tumalikod ka na pagdating mo diyan sa hagdan, tumalikod ka na doon sa ano, tapos dahan-dahan lang.
Kaya mo yan. Yung kayang lilis. Kaya mo.
Hindi kaya yan.
Salubungin mo nga. Gano'n naman.
Unahan mo nga.
Ikaw ka mauna?
Oo.
Ay, bumaba ka. Bababa ako. Ayaw ko. Bababa ka. Pag bumaba ako. Hindi. Ano? Tapang una. Akin mo ko.
Sa kayo na. Magalaw, ayaw. Magalaw, ayaw.
Yung flashlight niya, dala. May kasama niya.
Ay, ayaw.
Baba. Baka ayaw. Kaya mo yan, B.
Tatalikod.
Patalikod lang.
Ayaw.
I-guide mo siya muna, pre.
Iwan ka mamaya dito.
Halika na, Bi. Halika na.
I-guide mo muna siya. Oh, oh.
Paano nga ako tatalikod?
Oh, hawakan mo na yung hagdan. Hawakan mo na yung hagdan at saka tumalikod ka. Ayun.
Ayaw ko.
Ayun, oh.
Ako, Diyos ko. My Lord. Matigas. Ha? Matigas.
Ano yan? Matibay yan.
Matibay. Nakakadena.
Nakakadina yan, di yan makakalas dyan. Nandito ka na eh. Oh. Sunduin mo siya sa taas.
Ayaw. Ayaw. Ayaw ko. Ayaw.
Oh, bala ka dyan. May mo ka dyan.
Ayaw ko.
Ayaw talaga ni ma'am. Natatakot si ma'am.
Bala ka dyan.
Ayaw, Bi. Ayaw.
Kasi ito sa papel mo sa tingin. May?
Kapag. May bat.
May bata na?
Bat, may bat. May bat.
Ah, puta.
Ah,
Picture talaga sa may bat.
merong mga paniki dyan eh.
Kaya nga, meron na. Nagbibidyo sa rin sa lumipad.
Bakit di lumabas, no?
Nasilaw.
Oo, kasi tinapatan ko siya ng ilaw.
Ilising nyo.
Punta kayo dito ng Hidden Cave. Binulabog nyo yung mga paniking nakatulog dyan.
Ay, ako nga pipicturean mo, tapos pupunta ka sa tubo.
Dapat gusto niya rin may picture. Iabot mo sa akin yung camera nyo para meron ka rin picture. Oo, Diyos ko, dalawang cellphone, malalaglag pa yung isa. Sus Maria Joseph. Isa-isa lang. Dali. Sandali.
Pupunta siya uli, be.
Puta.
Dito, oh.
Nag-post pa.
Ah, sige.
Kakalabutin mo ako. Oh.
Okay.
Umakyat ka na. Umakyat ka na. At naugaw. B! Hello! Yeah! Ang laki ng pakpak eh. Yeah!
Oh, ano na nangyari sa'yo dyan, pre?
Sakay.
Nagpunta siya doon. Pero
Mamay, wala ka namang hangin. Sige na.
ay, picture mo. Wala naman ha. Lumipad. Marating din yung hidden cave.
Last na ito, guys. Uwi na kami.
Gigi na eh.
Meron ka na?
Oo.
Ang bababa kasi ng ano ng Zane, mga tower.
Blush and smile you give. You're just so stunning. I've been feeling nothing lately when without you. I know that.
Alhamdulillah, ngayong araw successful ang ating package store na Edge at saka Red Sun. At alhamdulillah, napasaya ko sila, nag-enjoy sila, sulit na yung araw nila. Nagpapasalamat ako sa kay Lord na safe kaming nakauwi. Ayun na, nahatid ko na sila sa kanilang accommodation. Hanggang dito na lang guys.